Hi, this is Tamara Rubin, Lead Safe Mama, leadsafemama.com, and we're here to show you things that we've tested with an XRF instrument and how those things might react with the Reactive Agent Home Test Kit. And if you're watching this video on Instagram, please hop over and watch it on YouTube, because in the YouTube description we'll put links, and the links will include the article about this Smurf glass, as well as a link to the product that we're using for the testing in this video. And we're going to be doing that with a lot of different testing methodologies, and we have tested this with XRF technology. Using XRF technology, this 1983 glass tests positive for 129,800 parts per million lead, and it tested positive for 5,587 parts per million cadmium, 5,344 parts per million arsenic. So what we're going to do here is show how this reacts when we use a home test kit. These cartoon character glasses are fairly reactive because, one, they've been washed in the dishwasher, and two, they're old, and the paint, even though it might not look like it's deteriorating, it is. First, we're going to shine the light on to show there's no green glowing, and we're not seeing any green glowing on that. And then we're going to spray the kit on this one. And you don't usually have to wait that long, but sometimes the longer you wait, the more dramatic the glowing reaction. So if it's glowing bright green, it's definitely lead. If it's not glowing bright green, that does not mean it's lead free.
Wow.
And the problem is this paint, glaze, or coating that is way, way, way over 90 parts per million lead wears off into your kitchen environment, wears off into your hand. When you're eating chips and drinking out of the glass, you're licking your fingers after touching the glass. And let's, I'm going to turn that off, and hold on one second. Go back and turn on the lights. So we're talking about the concern for hand-to-mouth activity. So basically, you're holding the glass, and then you put the glass down, and then you pick up some potato chips or some Doritos, tacos. I'm tired. And then you eat them, and you lick the salt off your fingers, and that's how you get a transference of microparticulate lead from your hand to your mouth, even if you're a grown-up and even if you don't have pica. Children, however, obviously have more potential for pica, and even with the light on in the room, you can see the glowing green. So these are not safe to use, not safe to use for food. They actually create dust in your home. If you have a collection of them on the shelf, there can be dust in your home around that collection if that isn't cleaned often. If you are going to keep them as a collectible, you should keep them in a cabinet behind glass where they can't be accessed, so preferably a locked cabinet and an airtight cabinet. And you can learn more at leadsafemama.com, but please check out our YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel to be the first to get some of these test results. This is an article on our website, and we'll also include that in the links with the description on the YouTube channel for this video. Thanks for being here. Lead Safe Mama, leadsafemama.com.